So to visiting this waterfall, that you only need hike about like 30 minutes or 40 minutes from Ubud Center. It's not that far. Probably that you will be needed more time whenever you are visiting the Tibumana Waterfall. If you are staying somewhere around Canggu or Seminyak, it's probably about 1.5 hours, guys. So hopefully that your trip in Bali is super nice and amazing. Don't forget, just take your time if you are visiting the waterfall, because it's really nice and amazing. That if you are came to Tibumana and take a swim, because Tibumana Waterfall is a super nice and gorgeous view. Alright, finally we are just arrived at the ticketing area. So now I really would like to get the ticket. Hello, dua orang.
Dua?
Yes.
40.
So the ticket area for Tibumana is 20,000 per person, guys. And
Where are you from?
hey, I'm from Tabanan. So yes, please. And side by side with the ticketing area, there is also a lot of restaurants, and with beautiful view all surrounding. There is some tourists which is already back from the waterfall, and now I really would like to keep walking because I'm really curious to give you update information about the Tibumana Waterfall and Warung Chung Chachang in here. So you also can get ice creams and also pizza if you would like to. It is really nice, especially the area of Tibumana is super nice and green. On my suggestion, just visiting this waterfall in the morning, but today I just a little bit busy in the morning, so I just came about 4 now. And over here there is the temple from the Tibumana era. that look like there's the local people. They are preparation because in another couple days probably there's the ceremony will be happening. A lot of preparation like here. And this is we call it Pura Dalam. So at this temple we are as visitor is not allowed to come in because it is only for the local people who is going for the praying. And look at that, there are some tourists which is already came to this restaurant and enjoying that the lunch with this beautiful view. And over here there is the tourists and also some driver which is came with the tourists already back from the waterfall. And this is the temple, guys, Pura Dalam. Let's see. Alright. And there's some local people that they already finished from praying, that they already back through their home. And in here, so sorry, a little bit foggy because some people that they are barbecue chicken. That's they make for offering. Hello, and this is that's the local shop. If you are looking for the Bali souvenir, fine thing, gas mask, and also some food, crackers, drinks over here. It's really affordable. Don't worry, if you would like to get some things, you can get it. And over here there is also toilet if you are looking for the toilet. And okay, let's go continue the trip. Alright, so I'm really curious to see this beautiful waterfall. So like what we can see here, there is some warung. Let's see. Right, it is getting closer and closer through the waterfall. That's we already can hear us really clearly. That's the waterfall, the river. It is already really nearby. So in here, that we already can see the signs that you are not confused if you are visiting the waterfall. Let's see. Okay, this is Tibumana Waterfall. If you go to the waterfall, this you go to the left directly, and then also if you go straight, that will be go to Tukat Campuhan. There's also the little temple over there, where it's usually that's the local people going for the ceremony. Exactly the tree junction at the small warung over here. That you also can get crackers, mango, orange, starfruit, mangosteen, a lot of things that you also can try here. Absolutely with the local price, guys. So don't forget support the local. And right, because I really want to see the waterfall first. Waterfall, just keep straight to here, and we will be walking on these beautiful stairs. You don't have to be worried about the direction because there is only 100 meter going down. That is already in the waterfall. Super nice. Look like there are some tourists already here. Hello, how are you doing? Good. Let's see, continue. And this is super nice. It's a lot of renovation already, guys. Before I have been here already, but it's not as nice as now because there is the new bridge, which is already renovated. Super nice. And look at this. This is traditional zone. Super cool. This is the small waterfall which is on the left hand side. Wow, this is super nice and amazing. Beautiful view. Really high recommend for you guys that you are came to Bali, must visit Tibumana Waterfall. It's a lot of nature that you will be got it on here. Right. Let's continue the walk another couple hundred meters to enjoy this beautiful waterfall from Tibumana. Look at this. This is the small ones already welcoming you before you go into the central for the waterfall. This is super nice and amazing, guys. Wow. What a view, guys. And this is the second bridge, which uniquely that they made all from bamboo. Look like there are some tourists already leave this place. Wow. And look at this. They make a dragon from the stone. Oh, they are so creative. Booms. We are really nearby from the waterfall. And on the left hand side here, this is the toilet and also the changing rooms. If you are planning to swimming, you also can change your swimwear here. And boom, that's super nice and gorgeous waterfall was already in front of us, guys. What a vibe of this waterfall. So super gorgeous. So even though now at 4 there is not so many tourists in here, like what we can see here, this place is super iconic. A lot of people come for wedding also. So if you came to Bali, don't skip this itinerary to visit the Tibumana Waterfall. It is really high recommend for you to visit this. And there is also that the security, the local staff from this area, that they're always in charge in this area, because sometimes even though there is the sign about not allowed swimming under the waterfall, but some tourists usually just try to swimming because they just extremely they want to try and experience on this waterfall. Look at this, super nice. And also if you came to this waterfall, try to not going under the cave, because sometimes can be happen that the water can be big or something like that. Especially at this time, a lot of swimming people that they are not following the rules, so there can be something happen. it is a lot of people come to this waterfall because they really want to make big memories, especially if they are just came to Bali for marriage. There's a lot of people that they are booking the place for marriage. So that is, take a note, that is really nice. If you were planning to visit Tibumana Waterfall, try to visit in the morning before there's a lot of people coming. Probably that's your time is starting from hotel between 7 or 8. This will be really good. Guys, that is the most gorgeous Tibumana waterfall for today. And let's see, there is not so many people, even though that I came at 4. It's absolutely empty, and I visit the waterfall with my girlfriend. She's so enjoy because so far I always go with my customer, and this is really high recommend for you because there is a lot of waterfall in Bali, but I just try to show you which one is that's really high recommend that you should be visit if you visiting Bali, because in Bali, let's say just like more than 100 waterfall, but let's see. I will be show you one by one, but just keep on my channel because I will be show you Bali and Java Islands about the best destination that you should visit, guys. Okay, let me go to Tukar Penyampuhan, guys. Show you how that's the Tukar Penyampuhan. This is the spring water that the local people from here usually they are just collect for the ceremony. Like what we can see here now is the ceremony happening on this village. So the local people from here, they are already prepared for the ceremony. And over there is the spring water that's the local people that they will be come and collect for the ritual. Look at that, that's the water, super clear. Let me show you. Wow, the water is super clear, guys. And this is the view. Super nice. So today is a lot of preparations for the local people from this area that they are preparation for the ceremony. This is all the young generation or the family will be go to the temple, and then they will be praying together, guys. Super nice tradition of Bali. So if you want to know more about the Bali culture, try to follow my Instagrams to get more information about the destination that you should be visit in Bali. So we are really welcome for all people who is keen to visit Bali, especially there's a lot of destination that you should know. And look at this,
super nice and gorgeous.